EC 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C, Unit 5 Hashing, presented by Anuja R. APCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. First, the definition of hashing. Hashing is a process which uses a function to get the key, and using the key it quickly identifies the record without much strain, right? Then the values written by a hash function are called hash value, and the hash table is a data structure in which key values are placed in an array location. Then the hash table is a data structure in an array of some fixed size containing the keys. A key value is a value associated with each record. Then types of hashing. There are two types of hashing. First one is static hashing, another one is dynamic hashing. In static hashing, the hash function maps search key values to a fixed set of location, right? Then the dynamic hashing is that hash table can grow to handle more items. The associated hash function must change as the table grows. Then a good hash function should be, it minimize collision, it should be easy and quick to compute, and distribute key value evenly in the hash table, and use all the information provided in the key, right? Then various types of hash functions, they are: first one is truncation method type, and then folding method type, third one is mid square method, another one is division method or modulo division. First one is truncation method. This method truncates a part of the given keys depending upon the size of the hash table, right? Consider the hash table size is 9. Then we can respective rightmost of the rightmost or leftmost digit are truncated and used as the hash code or value, right? Here the example is 123, 42, 56. The size of the table is 9. Then we can insert the data in a particular array. The h of 123 is equal to 1, so 123 will be placed on the array location is 1. 42 is equal to 4, the 42 will be inserted in the location 4. 56 means 5, it will be placed on the 5th location. Mid square method, it is a hash function method. Square the given keys, right? Take the respective middle digit from each squared value and use that as the hash value or address or indexes, right? Then the respective key values are, the h of key is equal to 123 means we can square the particular value, that is 123 is equal to 15129. So we can take an about the middle value, that is 1. So 123 is placed on the first location. Then 42 is equal to 7 means it will be placed on the 7th index value. 56 is 3 means it will be placed in the 3rd index value. Then folding method, partitioning the key k into number of parts like k1, k2 up to kn. Then add the parts together and ignore the carry and use it as the hash key value. That is, h of 123 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 123 will be placed on the 6th position. Then 43 means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 43 will be placed on the 7th location. And 56 means 5 plus 6 equal to 11. So 56 will be inserted or placed on the first location. So that is the concept of folding method. Then division method, choose the number m larger than the number of key. Then number m is usually chosen to be a prime number. So the formula for the division method is h of key is equal to k key modulo table size. So the size of the table 9 means 9. So we can insert the element 10, 20, 21, 24, 26, 32 and 34. So we can use this key means h of 20 is equal to 20 modulo table size is 10 is equal to 0. So 20 will be inserted on the 0th location, 21 will be inserted on the first location, 24 will be inserted on the 4th location, 26 is 6th location, 32 means the 2nd location, and 34 inserted on the 4th location, right? So this is the division method. So already in the 4th location 24 is available, but 34 is also available in the 4th location. Now the collision will be occur in the index 4, right? The possible questions for hashing. A technique for direct search is option D, hashing. Second question, the searching technique that takes 0 of 1 time to find a data is option C, hashing. The key value pair is usually seen in dash. Option A, hash table. A hash function must meet dash criteria. Option B, 3 criteria. Question 5. Which of the following scenarios lead to linear running time for a random search hit in a linear probing hash table? Option A, all keys hash to same index. Thank you.